are with these numbers from Andrew Mulia.
Well, despite more attack points from the Philippine Army, 15 to only 10 of Ateneo, looking at the blocks and the service aces that Ateneo got in the first set, tignan mo, 2 block points, 4 service aces, it already made a big difference. And on top of that, also, if you look at the number of errors,
malaki yan.
Oo, 9 points ang naipamigay din ng Philippine Army to Ateneo, which made the job much more easier for the Lady Eagles there in the first set.
Mayat Carolina on your screens. She is really not 100% for today's match. We heard that in their series against Cagayan Valley, sumakit yung braso niyan, yung legs and hips niya. So, not 100% today. But itong si Phil Cainglet, more than 100% ang pinapakita dito sa ating first game for the battle for third.
That's right, and of course, aside from Phil, for Ateneo, our top scorers are Herbacio with 5, Valdez with 4.
Net violation on Phil. And back to that first set, and Coach Rico actually just shaking his head and telling the girls, it's like you're not in the floor, in the court to really play. Parang wala kayong gana. And if you're a player and you hear that from the coach, parang dapat medyo
it gets
matauhan
you,
ka, di ba?
Matauhan ka. And I think parang it's really also pleading na to the team, ano? And really telling them na, which he has a point eh. Sabi niya, kung kailan patapos, dun pa bumibigay yung team. And at this point, you know, coming into the second set, we're hoping to see a different kind of energy here from the Lady Troopers. But so far, Ateneo still doing a great job.
Very remarkable over at the net. You've got a good balance of seasoned attackers together with Tejada, the newest addition since Gretchen Ho not able to play today. From the back row, that's Valdez.
And you know what's really working for Ateneo at this point is a very consistent offense that they have. In yung depensa ng Lady Troopers ang nawawala since the first set.
The Jima, very successful at the service line. Shakey's if it's fun. Family pizza, gotta be Shakey's. That's outside. Jem Ferrer with a good... Oh, but they're saying Jem Ferrer touched... There was a touch on Jem Ferrer, but the linesman called it out. Clearly, I saw... And Tina Salak is saying Jem Ferrer touched it. This will be interesting.
Jem Ferrer's just smiling.
Jem Ferrer, if I was you, I'll just be quiet.
Oh, if you can't get away with it, there is a check and Jem knows it. Siyempre, Jem wouldn't volunteer the information, pero alam naman niyang meron, just smiling.
Alam mo, pagka ganyan eh, wala namang masama kung tatahimik na lang muna si Jem Ferrer.
Hindi naman siya tinatanong.
At talagang hindi siya tatanong.
Oo, diba?
Kasi alam mo naman na isasagot niya eh.
Hindi!
This time, a very clear check on Z. Philippine Army down by a point, 3-4. Joan goes to Valdez.
Oh, she gets stuck.
Yes.
Alarca and Carolino.
Basang-basa yung play. Dalawang blockers ang nakatapat kay Phil. What a block from Carolino. Lazarus there.
Valdez with a good dig.
Kept alive by Gutierrez. Tejada! That's good. That's a good play. But this one goes out. But Tejada wasn't really ready because that was a freebie right there for Tejada. Yun yung mga sayang.
Oh, yung mga sayang. But of course, Tejada still a very young player on her first year here for the Lady Eagles.
Oh! Unag this time scores with a service ace. Poor reception by Valdez. Lamang na ang Philippine Army ng dalawa. 6-4. Joan Bunag still at the serve. Let's see if they chase it down. Wow, what a save by Carolino. Let's see what that attack will be. Combination!
Oh, look at that. Yun yung maganda, no? Just when everybody came from talagang running for the ball dito sa Philippine Army, binalik nila ng mabilis with Hervasio attacking from the middle.
Wow, everyone was scrambling
Di pa
to get
nakapwesto
back to the
masyado.
court. But that combination play, Z Hervasio twisting in mid-air. She had two blockers with her over at her left side, so pinihitan niya pakanan. What a play from Z Hervasio. That's good. Rolls over the net. Ooh, face off by M. Carolino on Alisa.
Alisa just smiling. Sanay na yung mga batang yan
naman.
sa ganyan.
Oo naman.
That's
Ito pa.
nothing. Let's take a look at that again. Carolino. Dahil tumama sa block, na-deflect ng
Yes.
konti.
Ang tawag dyan yung natatakan ka ng mikasa sa
Oo.
yung mga malalakas talaga, makikita mo may mikasang nakatatak.
Ito wala pa
Wala pa.
masyado. Mahina lang.
Letter M pa lang yung
Oo.
nakatatak.
Dumaplis lang naman eh. And then, again, these girls are so used to that. Hindi lang natin siguro masyado nakikita sa game yung ganyan, no? But sa training,
Ay, oh.
nangyayari yan ng madalas.
Oh, Tejada, her inexperience again showing. And of course, the experience of Tina Sal, kita niya may kakamay doon. She pushes it to the hand and she gets the call. 8-6, Philippine Army up by 2.